Okay, sis, so you need to send off a piece of important mail, but you need to make sure that it got delivered. All right, I'm going to show you how to send certified mail in about 3 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you're going to need two forms. You're going to need Form 3800 and you're going to need Form 3811. You can get both of these from the post office. Okay, get as many as you want, take them home, do what you want. You're going to look at this form, the 3800. This is the green and white slip, and right here, you're going to write the receiver's name and address right here on the front. Okay, now you're going to take the green card, Form 3811, and you are going to write the receiver's name and address again in number one, the box labeled number one. Right here, you can click the service type. If you don't really know what you want, you can wait until you get to the actual post office and ask for help. Okay. On the back is where you're going to write your name and your address so that this will come back to you to show that the person that you sent it to signed it. So the person you sent it to will sign everything right here. And this card will actually come back to you. Okay. Now you're going to take this right here and you're going to peel this off because there is a little peel here. You're going to peel this off. Right. And here at the top, there's some numbers. You want to peel it off like this, where you leave those numbers there. And you're going to leave those numbers there. We're going to come back to that because we got to put those numbers on here. Okay. We're going to take this piece right here. We're going to go ahead and put it right here on the top of this envelope, just like that. Okay. And you're going to basically align that dotted line with the top of the envelope. And then you're going to take that and you're going to fold it over the top, where the top of the envelope is kind of like that. Okay, so now that's on there. All right, then you're going to leave that just like that. Then you're going to take this number and you're going to stick it under article number, which is number 2. You're going to stick that right at the bottom. Okay, and all that is showing that all of these numbers are the same. Okay, so this, and this are all the same. So they all stay together. Okay. Now let's assemble. Okay. Now you're going to turn this over to the back and you're going to take this, right? You're going to turn it over. You're going to take these little clips off. Right. You're going to turn this back over and you're going to, after you close this up, make sure you have your document in here, of course. Close that up, take this, put it down on the back, just like that. And what's going to happen, you're going to take this to the counter. Do not drop it in your mailbox. Do not drop it in a box at the post office. You want to take this to the counter, pay the fee, make sure the clerk stamps your receipt, which is going to be this right here, and that will be your proof. And she's going to actually give you another receipt too that shows that you used your credit card or whatever to pay for it. All right. And then she's going to actually take this off after she does what she needs to do. She's going to take this off and hand it back to you. So this will be one form of your receipt. And she's also going to give you your other receipt, like I said. Then this is going to go into the mail. They're going to take it to the person and they're going to say, okay, somebody needs to sign this. I cannot deliver it unless there's a signature. The person's going to come to the door. They're going to sign it. This part is going to be filled out. The postal worker is going to take this off and they're going to hand this to the person that is accepting the mail. And then they're going to send this little thing back to you, back to Faith Walker, 123 Victory Lane. So this piece is going to come back to you and it's going to show exactly who signed off for it and who actually has the mail that you sent. Okay. So I hope that helps you out. If you had no clue how to send certified mail, I want you to hit subscribe if you want more no nonsense tutorials, and I will see you in the next one. Okay. Bye.